and you can just do a Google search about us to make sure that you really want to work with us. But one thing about us is that we actually pay the highest commissions in the entire industry of credit repair. Okay, and you want to make sure that if you don't have your own credit repair business, it's much easier to be an affiliate, because if you're doing your own business, you have overhead, you have fees, you have taxes. Well, if you actually partner with a company for a high ticket item, like our services are anywhere from 2,000 to 3,000 on the high end if they work with me personally, then on the low end, $299 to enroll, and then $99 a month. That's just for dispute services. Guys, become acquainted and familiarized with my programs. Visit my website so you can see how much money you can make. I have people on the low end, like just regular people that have full-time jobs. They make anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 a month. Then we have, as you can see, the screenshot. That is a screenshot taken from an article that badcredit.org wrote about us. You can go to badcredit.org.com. It's the biggest credit repair website online. They have over 50 million views a month, and they have 27 million subscribers. When you go to badcredit.org, you can type in Pinnacle Credit Repair, and you could just read up what the experts say about us, because I want you guys to really understand what we are doing with credit repair. Don't just work for a company that you're going to make money with, but have some moral fiber and just do some due diligence.